What's up, everybody? My name is Chris from Be Connected, and we're teaming up with the Fox Cities Chamber of Commerce to do a 3-part series, Social Media Plunge. Are you looking to ramp up your marketing efforts, particularly on social media? Well, we've got the resolution just for you. In session number 1, we're going to talk about content creation. So how do you create a story or a narrative around your brand? We'll show you how to create content and how to do that without a professional camera. In session number 2, we're going to talk about how to leverage Facebook and Instagram to grow your business. These platforms are changing all the time. It's hard to keep up with, but we're here to help you learn all the tactics that we use to help our clients. In session number 3, we're going to talk about how you can build a bigger network on these social media platforms. We'll also talk more about LinkedIn, how to leverage social media ads, and how to turn your followers into a group of advocates. The Social Media Plunge starts March 6th. I encourage all of you to come. Everybody's welcome, regardless of your social media skill set. I hope that if you do come, you'll bring your computer, take some notes, and you'll work along with us. There'll be ample time for Q&A. At the end of each class, we're going to do a social media deep dive where I'll take an in-depth look at one of your social media pages. I hope to see you there.